Ever wondered how businesses pop up on Google Maps? It's not magic, it's Google Map listing. Now you might be thinking, what is Google Map listing? Well, let's demystify it. Google Map listing is a free, yes, you heard it right, free feature that allows businesses to appear on Google Maps. Imagine you own a small cafe in town. When a user searches for cafes in this town on Google Maps, your cafe will appear in the search results. That's the power of Google Map listing. But how does it work? It's simpler than you might think. Businesses submit their information to Google, such as their location, opening hours, and contact details. Google then verifies this information to ensure its accuracy before adding it to Google Maps. So you see, it's not about being a tech whiz, it's about understanding the process. Now you might be thinking, how can I get my business on Google Maps? Here's a step-by-step guide. Let's start with the first step, creating a Google My Business account. This is your golden ticket to the world of Google services. To do this, head over to the Google My Business homepage and click on the Manage Now button. You'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, don't fret. You can quickly create one by clicking on Create Account. Once you're signed in, you'll need to enter your business name. Make sure it's the exact name you use in your day-to-day business to avoid any confusion. After that, you'll have to fill in your business category. This helps Google understand what kind of customers should see your business. Next, you'll be asked to add your business location. This includes your business address and the areas you serve. Be as accurate as possible. You wouldn't want your customers ending up at the wrong location, would you? Now we move on to the verification process. Google needs to ensure you're the rightful owner of the business you're listing. They'll send you a postcard with a verification code to the business address you've provided. Once you receive it, log back into your Google My Business account, enter the code, and voila, your business is verified. But we're not done just yet. Now that your business is verified, it's time to add some details. These include your operating hours, contact information, and a brief description of what you do. You can also add photos of your business to give potential customers a sneak peek of what to expect. Finally, managing your listing is an ongoing process. Respond to reviews, update your information as needed, and use the insights provided by Google to understand how customers are interacting with your business. And there you have it, a simple guide to getting your business on the map, literally. Scene script, but why does Google Map listing matter? Well, let's dive into that. First off, visibility. When your business is listed on Google Maps, it's like getting a prime spot on the world's busiest street. Your business becomes visible to millions of users who are actively looking for services or products similar to yours. It's more than just being seen. It's about being discovered by the right people at the right time. Next, customer reach. Google Maps isn't just a navigational tool, it's a discovery platform. Potential customers in your vicinity can find your business, learn about your offerings, and even get directions to your doorstep. It's like having a friendly local guide that leads customers right to you. Finally, reputation management. Google Map listings include reviews, ratings, and photos from your customers. This offers a transparent platform for positive customer experiences to shine, boosting your reputation and building trust with potential customers. In a world that's increasingly online, Google Map listing is a key tool in your business's digital strategy. Don't miss out on the opportunity to reach more customers and grow your business. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more content and tips. Signing off, MarketMagnetix Media Group.